Want to help me make this a happier and healthier world? Like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to work with me, go find me at ryanspence.biz. What's up, everybody? Ryan Spence here. And today's video, I actually want to thank you for helping me hit 100 subs on YouTube. I really appreciate it. I didn't really have any specific subscriber goals in mind, although once I found out that you get your personalized URL on YouTube at 100 subs, I'm like, yes, let's go for that. And here we are. So thank you for helping me hit that goal. I hope that the videos that I provided have given you some value, have helped inspire you, helped teach you something that you didn't know more about, and help you make your life happier and more full. Because that was the whole purpose of this channel, and I say that was, and it is the purpose of this whole channel, because I'm going to continue to provide videos each week, each Monday, and some bonus videos on Thursday evening whenever I am able to. For me personally, YouTube has been an amazing resource this last year for my personal growth, and that's why I'm hoping it provides help for anybody else across the world, across the internet, across the YouTube. Hope it provides value for you, and hopefully we continue to grow on the subscriber base and the likes and all the good stuff. But honestly, if we get another subscriber, that's totally fine as well. We hit the 100 subs, we got the URL. Although, it's always nice to continue to grow and see the number go up. But it will be what it's meant to be. So again, thank you for that support so far, and we're going to continue to go forward with more videos. Now, along with this video, I want to provide some content update, as far as YouTube and Twitch. So for YouTube, we've had the Twitch interviews, or kind of the edited version of the Twitch interviews on here with some really awesome Twitch streamers. And I think going forward, we're actually going to get away from doing as many videos on that. I really want to get back to coaching and teaching more. And now that I'm kind of finding a little bit of rhythm in life, I'm able to shoot some more videos, as well as I'm just noticing that those videos are just not being watched as much, which kind of tells me that maybe I'm not as interested in these longer videos or on these or maybe the interview side of it. But I'd love to hear any feedback below of what videos you would like to see. That will help me out so that I know what to provide and continue to entertain you and coach and teach and inspire you. So as far as next content, I'm going to get back to teaching some topics that I know about that have helped me, and hope that they help you live your happiest and your fullest life. And specifically, I am actually going to be doing a series on weight loss probably in the next month or two. So be on the lookout for that. So if you have any questions or want to know any more about weight loss, let me know again in the comments below. I'd love to hear that, because weight loss was a big thing for me in my life, a really big journey, and I want to help others lose weight as well. So that's actually how I'm going to morph my coaching business a little bit towards self-paced class/coaching model with that. Of course, if you do have other things that you do want to be coached on, you want to help break through the barriers and live your happiest and healthiest life, you can still go to my website below, ryanspence.biz, and I'd be happy to still work with you. But I just want to focus a little bit more on the weight loss here in the next couple months. I'll start bringing some more content on that. As far as Twitch content, I have received actually some pretty positive feedback on the Twitch interviews, so I may still mix some of those in here in the next month or so. And actually, I already have a couple really awesome guests lined up, some really big names in the Twitch streaming, especially of Hearthstone, that have agreed to do the show. So I will have probably some more interviews on that. We'll go back to season 2 of Stream Life here in a few weeks. But right now, actually, Hearthstone is the game that for those of you that don't know, Hearthstone is a really fun digital card game that I've played for the last several years, and something I've streamed on Twitch. And so that is something that I will actually get back to, mixing in some of those streams here and there while the content on that game is fresh and fun. I do want to continue to mix it up here and there. But so be on the lookout for season 2 of Stream Life in the upcoming month or so. So to sum it up, YouTube, thank you so much for the 100 subscribers. Again, really appreciate it. Share this channel with your friends, anybody else that you think could benefit from living a happier and healthier life, because that's what I'm going to provide. And especially on the weight loss side, I'm going to provide some more content on that here in the coming months. As far as Twitch, going to stream Hearthstone for a while it's still fresh and fun, and then get back to season 2 of Stream Life on Twitch, and already got some really awesome guests lined up. So anyways, I love you guys very much. Thank you again for all your support. Like this video, comment below with anything that you want to see on YouTube, and stay awesome, and I love you.